The type of a girl I want 2021. First and foremost, I'm Kim Kim Z. Let me sell myself first. Number one. First and foremost, I'm a very handsome man, as you can see. I'm a very handsome man in East Africa. Secondly, from last year, December, I am virgin. Thirdly, I am not toothpick. I am cassava. Fourthly, I am good in bed. I can sleep at 7 p.m. and wake up the following day at 10 a.m. I'm very good in bed. I know most girls have beard, men who has beards. Me, I don't have. But I'm very handsome. I don't have beard. But you know, beards will not bring anything on the table. I don't have beards. Now, the type of a girl I want 2021. Since I don't know how virgins girls look like, I want a beautiful girl who is not 2 GB, 8 GB or 16 GB. I want a 32 or 64 GB girl and not beyond that. A very beautiful girl. Secondly, I want a girl who owns a car, a girl who is driving. I cannot date a girl who is walking on earth. No, not me. A girl who owns a house. That's the girl I want. I don't want a girl who stays in a rental houses. A girl who, when we are in the house, when we hear something like cool outside, or we hear it as if there's something fishy, like there's somebody outside the house, she will come out of the bed and go and look and maneuver all over the home compound and look, what is that? I want that girl who will provide security for me. A girl who will be taking me out for dinner. Yes, I want that kind of a girl. The last one, a girl who will pay all my bills. Thank you.